Alright guys, so here's the actual PC. It's finally home, it's now complete. It works really well. Literally, this PC actually starts up in just under 10 seconds. It is so fucking crazy how fast this thing is now. This is sort of the inside of it. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but that's sort of what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Anyway, what I need to do now is get a wireless, because we've got wireless and we don't have a long enough Ethernet and we've got nowhere to run the Ethernet, we obviously need to do that. So, I'm guessing it needs to go about roughly there, but I just need to check on this video on where it needs to go. Alright, so now I'll do the side panel. I don't have the wireless card yet, guys, so I will get it. Hopefully this doesn't fall on my iPad. If it does, that'd be so funny. Alright, so I'm guessing the card needs to go about here, because that's the only place I can think of. Yeah, it actually does look like it needs to go here. Alright. Oh yeah, this is also the power supply I have. It's the Thermaltake Smart 750 watt thing. It's meant to be a good one. Alright. So by the looks of it, my theory is, I don't know if you guys can see, but right around here, okay, is where you can put a lot of cool slots and shit there, right? So basically, what I'm saying is that there's like a little thing back here that you just sort of pop out, and then you just get rid of it, really. I need to get that. I need to get like a wireless card thing, plug it into that, and see if it fits in there. But what I'm gonna do tomorrow is take a picture and show the guys at the store, to see if it will actually all fit. So yeah, that should be good. They should be helpful. They're really helpful. Guys, I'm just gonna say, do not go to PCK Gear. That's where we got our That's where we got the parts from. Oh my god, they fucked us over with the the return policy is fucked up. Like, do not buy from them, whatever you do. Buy from, this is an Australian company, guys. Buy from, I think it's called what is it? Centacom, if you're Australian, go there. Trust me, it's a lot better than PC Case Gear because they fuck you over. With Centacom, they actually help you. And if you're missing a part, they would go, just letting you know you're missing this, would you like to blah blah blah, or this isn't going to fit in here, just letting you know. So they're really helpful. So I'm going to go there from now on, and that's why I'm going to get the TP-Link. I'm guessing I'm getting it tomorrow, or the day after, or on Monday, which is going to be on my birthday, but I'm hoping it's tomorrow. Well, I guess I still know what to do. I can't touch this because it's for my birthday, obviously. I do have the keyboard in my room. Where's the camera, actually? The camera's somewhere, because we've now got the camera now. So, that's really cool. Got the Logitech C920. I think it was $99 we got it for. And then we got the speakers, which are pretty good. I tested them out, and oh my god, they're good. This is all my friend's house. I tested it, but no, everything's here now, so all good. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's a really good computer. I'm excited to start using it. I've installed everything on there now, so that I can, but I just need Wi-Fi. So alright, let's put the case back on. Alright, there we go. So the case is back on now. Quite easy. I love how on the front of the actual, where is it? This part here actually glows. Well, it's got the, LED, sorry. It's got a really cool red light, which I absolutely love. I'm not sure what it looks like in there. There's like a red fan looking thing here as well, which looks really cool. It's like, I believe there is at least 5 or more fans in here, so there's a lot. So thank God the water cooler wasn't exactly an option, but we have lost money from it because PC case gear. Yeah, do not shop there, whatever you do. That's a bit loose. Oh, well, shouldn't be. Actually, it's not too bad. The disc drive is also really, really good. I'm in love with it already. It's a Blu-ray disc drive as well. BD rewriter, obviously. And then I think there's 10 USB slots in here as well. So that's really useful. But yeah, I can't touch this anymore now. I'm gonna go to my room now, or some shit. So, there's the, keyboard. I think I've already said this so many times, I'm in love with it. I still am. I'm not gonna take this off until it's, Monday for my birthday, so I'm just gonna leave it on for now, just because I think it's to do with the grip or something, but I don't know why I want to leave it on till Monday. I don't know, I guess the grip lasts longer than, I don't know. Just don't ask, please. So, because there's no point of, like, Mum really keeping it in her room. Or, like, all she really need to do is, like, keep it in the actual PC case itself and whatnot. There's all the boxes. I'm keeping all them. Oh, actually, I should show you guys the monitor I'm getting. Well, I have. It's fucking... Honestly, guys, it is the best monitor. Like, I didn't expect it to be that nice. Like, it is honestly a very nice looking monitor. It's so good. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so here's my speakers. The Logitech Z213. Very good actually. Got the bass there, bass, whatever you like to call it. And the audio controller right there. So that's really cool. And here's the oh, it's upside down, but I'll take it out for you just actually. So that's for the power for it. You know, I actually don't know what this cord is doing. I don't know if it's mine or not, but there's just so many cords. So I'm gonna keep that in case. I don't know if it's mine or my friend's. I think this is part of. I think this is right here is like half my PC and then half the monitor. So I guess we'll take it out. Well, my friend left his DJ sticker. Damn it. Put that in the box. So here's this part, and then I'll grab the actual monitor. Alright guys, here is the monitor. I'm absolutely in love with it at the moment. It is just so nice. It looks nice and clean. I haven't taken off the tape on the edges yet, which I probably will do eventually. I just can't really bother doing it right now. So we got that. The stand's very nice. It all suits it. It all fits well with the keyboard and the PC itself. I love how the back out's got. I love how the back out's got this like little nice scaly thing. I don't know if you can see it. I might be able to, but it's got like a nice little scale there. I haven't taken the LG sticker off yet. Probably should. Yeah, I'll take it off. Fuck it. Oh, we took it off. Yeah, so it's actually really good. My friend's dad actually swapped out the VGA with the DVR, I believe it's called. DVI. I was close enough. Which is apparently slightly better. Just the slightest bit better quality and just everything better. So I'm really happy about that. So thank you. Like he's watching anyway. Oh, took that off. Okay. But yeah, it's actually very, very nice. I'm very stoked about this. But yeah, amazing quality that I've seen so far, even though it's only been the main menus and yada yada. But other than that, it's pretty good. I can't wait to start gaming on this thing and start downloading all my games. Got the, I think, technically I have just over 3 terabyte just by the slightest bit, but anyway, I doubt I'll fill that up anytime soon. I love it. I love this, guys. I can't wait, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here for now because gotta wait for Monday, and then I can actually start using it. So I'll be doing a setup video for when I. Oh yeah. By the way, I have to screw that in, which I probably should before Mum picks it up by accident and drops it and destroys it. So yeah. See what I mean, guys? If my mum actually picked it up a different way, that would have fallen off, could have broke, anything. So you have to sort of do it like this. And then there's like a little screw here. Righty. Can you guys see that for me? Righty tighty. Yeah, that's going the right way. There we go. So that's nice and firmly on. And there we go. So now the stand's on properly. That won't fall. Just for precautions, just in case my mum picks it up by any chance. Well, for some reason. But yeah, I'll probably take all this tape off. I don't know if I should take it off now. Nah. I'll leave it on. I'll leave it on for now. But that's the monitor, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah, as soon as I took it out, I'm like, wow, that's awesome. So, actually, I'm going to put these, you know what, all these cords I'm taking with me, just in case. Speakers, I'll just leave them in there too. I don't know, where has the camera gone? Because we've got the camera and the, I don't know if it's still in the car. I'll just check something else real quick, another bag. Alright guys, so I've got all the cords. I haven't done my hair still. I don't know if I should do it tomorrow. Oh well. I only saw one of my friends today again, so big thank you to Caleb and his dad. I very much appreciate your help with this PC build. Obviously, they did most of the work, but I'm just very thankful that I had them there helping me out with this computer build. Otherwise, I'd still be here working out how the hell do I plug in this and that. Like, it'd probably be destroyed. Okay, so those cords for now. I'm just gonna... Actually, oh yeah, I got that cord. Nah, they're gonna get lost. I'll just chuck them in this box here. Nailed it. So they're just in there for now. That should do. I just realized this is a new video. Damn. I've still got to upload the second vlog. That's me building the PC. That's only like a 13-minute one, so that shouldn't be too long. I've just been today because I've been out all day again for like the second or third day in a row now. Feels like it's been like a month. I don't know, but I've just been going out. So again, this PC stuff sorted. So today's the second day. I'm probably gonna have to go out again for the third, which is gonna suck. Oh well, it shouldn't be as long, I hope. I don't know, I'm probably jinxing myself. But yeah, I've got half an hour, 35 minutes till this video is done. Or you can't actually see. Spoilers! It's just creative land. Oh boy. Oh, whatever, that'll do. So, yeah, wow, it's finally happening, guys. Like, I've talked about this awesome PC thing that I've always dreamed of, and I've always wanted this, PC build to happen. And after all these years, my dream is already coming true with that, which is so hectic, bro. I don't know, please. It's just awesome. I'm really, really grateful. I'm grateful for my mum buying all these for me and wasting her time and money for it. It's just awesome. I'm really thankful that she's done all this for me. And especially, and also to my friend and his dad for helping me out with all this as well. And it's just awesome. It really is just awesome. So yeah, oh well, one more I think this is going to be the last trip for the computer, I hope.
And then, yeah, so tomorrow, which is this video, okay, it's probably gonna be out, fuck. You know, it's actually probably gonna be out tomorrow, so there might be 3 videos the day this is out, or this is gonna be out on Sunday. So, if it's on Sunday, I guess that sort of works out, because then I don't have to really care about anything. But, yeah, on Monday, should be all good. It'll be all cool. So yeah, first thing I'll probably do, well actually, damn, I have to install AVG free, and then, I don't know, maybe purchase it in the future. Fuck knows what I'm gonna do. And then get Steam and download every game and put backups on here. So, yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll end the vlog because then I don't want it to be too long, so it's not too long to upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all possibly on my birthday. So, awesome. And today's April Fool's Day, just letting everyone know the day this is out, recording. So, yeah, see you guys, and bye.